Welcome to Dress Up Tara's channel. Today I'm going to do a DIY Gucci gloves, or I should call it Gucci Fuchi gloves. I have been noticing that lots of YouTubers like the Ace family and celebrities has been wearing Gucci. I saw this glove online and I fell in love with these gloves. Until I saw the price, my heart literally broke into pieces. $600 for a pair of gloves? That kind of money I could use to go to a mini vacation trip to Mexico. So I am going to do a DIY Gucci gloves for under 10 bucks. I am a student and I do attend at Cal State San Bernardino, so the supplies that I bought are affordable at Double Bargain Store. Anyways, if you live far away, I did link the products down below that you can get the supplies from Amazon, which is similar to the supplies that I will be using in this video. The gloves costed me $2.99 and it has a touchscreen fingertip to be able to text, and inside has a warm fake fur to keep my hands warm. Next, I saw these earrings that costed 75 cents at the Double Bargain Store. I only got it because it has the red and green Gucci color, so I took the ribbon off from the earrings. Now it just looks like a regular earrings. I might turn this to a keychain, but look how pretty it looks. Continuing this project, use the ribbon and place it onto the gloves for a demonstration. These gloves are so darn cute because it has bunny ears, which I'll be placing the ribbon between the ears. Get E6000 glue, which will be $2.97 at Walmart for the big size. The one in the video is a small size because Walmart only had the small sizes of the glue that comes with the 5-pack, which it's still the same price. You can pour the glue onto the gloves and press the bow for 5 to 10 seconds. Then voila! You have your fancy Gucci gloves. Next up, I'll be doing the same thing but with different style. The gloves are nice and it has soft fur inside as well, and I got it for the same price at the Double Bargain Store, and I did buy another pair of the inspired Gucci earrings. I'm going to keep the style, which I'm going to cut the ear clips with some cutters. Ask your Bob the Builder dad or friends and family to cut the ear clips for you. The cutters look like this. I wanted to show it in the video how to cut the ear clips, but my dad did it for me without showing me, so thanks Dad. Just make sure you cut off the ear clips. I already glued this onto the gloves and it looks fabulous. So get the handy dandy E6000 glue and apply some glue onto the back of the ribbon. Press the bow for 5 to 10 seconds. Here's the final result of the wannabe Gucci gloves that I will be flaunting for under 10 bucks, and it will keep my hands warm during the cold weather. I appreciate you all for watching my affordable DIY Gucci gloves. So thank you. Next.